Looking for a stylish e-bike that's lightweight, fast, and doesn't break the bank? Meet Propella electric bicycles, where minimalist design meets max efficiency. With a whisper-quiet 250W motor, it gives you the perfect boost, no sweat, all style. Removable Samsung battery, up to 40 miles range. Commute, cruise, or climb, it's got your back. Why struggle uphill when you can fly up effortlessly? Perfect for students, city riders, or anyone ready to ditch the car. And it's super light, just around 38 pounds. Say hello to Cycle electric bicycles, where tech meets two wheels. Built for smart city rides, Cycle blends power, control, and style. Thanks to its high-efficiency motor, you'll crush commutes without breaking a sweat. Removable battery? Check! Fast charging? You bet! Range? Up to 60 kilometers. From sunup to sundown, Cycle keeps you moving. Live in the city? The foldable frame means Cycle fits anywhere: train, office, or apartment. It's more than a bike, it's your urban freedom machine. Lightweight, tech-loaded, built to cycle through life. Ready to transform your regular bike into a powerful e-bike? Meet Switch electric bicycles. With the Switch conversion kit, turn any bike into an electric ride in minutes, no tools, no hassle. Feel the power of a 250W motor and breeze through hills with ease. Lightweight, removable battery gives you up to 50 miles on a single charge. Eco-friendly, efficient, and perfect for commuting or weekend adventures. Connect with the app to monitor battery, speed, and customize your ride. Switch your way to smarter rides. Easy, fast, and fun. Looking for an electric bike that blends style, power, and convenience? Meet the More electric bicycle, your perfect partner for city rides and weekend adventures. The More comes equipped with a powerful 350W brushless motor that delivers smooth, quiet assistance, helping you conquer hills and long distances effortlessly. Whether it's a steep climb or a long commute, the More's pedal assist system kicks in seamlessly, making every ride feel effortless. Its high-capacity removable battery offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily commuting or exploring your city. And if storage or transport is a concern, the More features a compact, foldable design that fits easily in your car trunk or apartment closet. The easy-to-read LCD display keeps you informed on speed, distance, and battery life, giving you full control over your ride. With responsive disc brakes and durable tires, safety and control are guaranteed no matter where your journey takes you. Lightweight, stylish, and packed with tech, the More electric bicycle is designed for riders who want freedom without compromise. Ready to upgrade your ride? Check out More electric bicycles and experience the future of urban mobility today. Meet the GI Flybike, the electric bike that's redefining urban mobility with style, speed, and smart design. Powered by a high-torque 500W motor, the GI Flybike delivers quick acceleration and smooth rides, perfect for city commutes and weekend fun. With pedal assist and throttle modes, you can choose how much power you want, making every uphill or long-distance ride a breeze. It's lightweight. Removable battery gives you up to 45 miles of range, so you can keep going without worries. And when you're done riding, the GI Flybike folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. Stay connected and informed with the bright LCD display showing speed, battery level, and ride mode at a glance. With disc brakes and puncture-resistant tires, safety and reliability come standard on every ride. Ready to fly through your day with ease and style? The GI Flybike is here to change how you move. Introducing the Ampler electric bike, sleek, silent, and built for riders who value simplicity and style. With its ultra-lightweight frame and hidden battery design, the Ampler blends perfectly into everyday life, delivering power without bulk. The whisper-quiet motor provides pedal assist that feels natural, boosting your ride up to 20 miles per hour with ease. Stay informed with a minimalist handlebar display that shows your speed and battery status, keeping distractions to a minimum. With a range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, the Ampler is perfect for your daily commute or weekend adventures. Security is simple and smart, thanks to an integrated lock system so you can park and go without worries. Experience the joy of effortless riding with Ampler electric bikes, where design meets function. Meet the Pace electric bike, designed for those who want power, style, and convenience in one sleek package. Equipped with a robust motor and long-lasting battery, the Pace delivers impressive speed and up to 40 miles of range on a single charge. Switch between pedal assist and throttle modes for flexible riding, perfect for city streets or open roads. Stay in control with the easy-to-read digital display, keeping all your ride info right at your fingertips. With responsive brakes and durable tires, safety and control come standard with the Pace electric bike. Ready to power your ride with style and reliability? The Pace electric bike is your perfect companion. Comfort matters, and Pace nails it with an ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars that fit riders of all sizes. Plus, lightweight design means easy handling and storage, great for apartment living or taking on public transport. Safety doesn't stop with brakes. Integrated front and rear LED lights keep you visible day and night. Connect with the Pace app to monitor your battery, track rides, and even lock your bike remotely. Versatility is key. Whether it's city streets, parks, or gentle trails, Pace delivers a smooth and stable ride. From your daily commute to weekend adventures, Pace electric bike is designed to keep up with your lifestyle.